Let's start the video. Hey, it's Julian from Utterly Random Techie. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're enjoying your time here. If it's your first time, you can click the subscribe button below and check out what I've been doing. Today, I will be here to unbox these. These are the new Realme Buds Q. They will join the Realme 7 series on September 30th. So make sure to check out Realme Philippines Facebook page for their live stream. So let's open this up. So that's this. It's the Realme Buds Air. Basically an AirPods clone. Same port. Been having this for a while. But I'm not here for that. We're not here for that. We're here for this. The Realme Buds Q. So they're black. Way opposite than this. They're unlike this style. It's a smaller type. And yeah. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, this is easier than a Realme phone unboxing. Oops, sorry about that. Got it out from the thing. There we go. There. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Wow. That's a nice package. So that's the package. Sorry if it's spent, it's probably shipping. And I think, okay, yeah. So I get this out for now. So that's the Buds Q. Set it aside. Let's see what we have else in here. This is a box. Open. Oh, there. So we have a, oh, interesting. So it's micro USB to USB-A, unlike the Buds Air, just Type-C. Interesting. And of course the getting started guide and info card and another, wait, what's this? Oh, so these are the tips that come with the Buds Q. So they're spare tips, I guess, or smaller. So there's a different size here. As you can see here, there's different sizes. Now for this looks nice. It's black. It's okay. It's open. Oh, so it's black. The Realme logo there, and the micro USB port in the back. We open. Wow, that's pretty. It sucks that they had to put plastic on this. That's fine. So these are the buds themselves. Just remove these things. Oh, no wonder. These are glossy. Okay, stuck in the hand. So wow, there. So these are glossy AF. The logo. So this is the bud. So it's the bud. It's quite small actually. So it charges with these pins here. So that pin, so there's pins there. So it charges that way when you charge it. And it's a small black. Smaller. It's smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it would be bigger, but it's not. Nice. So it's almost the same size as the Buds Air. It's black and I like black actually. I also like the matte feel of this first time. So okay, let's set it up.
To set up the Realme Buds Q, you of course have to use the Realme Link app. You touch and hold on both earbuds during pairing and you're ready to go. I appreciate having the app because it lets me use the earbuds with other Android smartphones and not just Realme phones. I'm really surprised with the design of the Buds Q. It was designed by Mr. José Lévy, a cooperated designer for Hermes. He's also the art director of the Realme Design Studio. This Cobble Design really reminds me of a literal pebble. Lastly, let's talk about the buds themselves. When I put it in my ear, the fit is okay for me. And I really didn't experience the buds getting loose or falling off during everyday use. I've been using it for almost a week now, and so far so good. So that's it for my unboxing and first impressions of this Realme Buds Q. Let me know if you have anything that you want to know about this product in the comments below. And stay tuned for the full review on utterlyrandomtechie.com or here on YouTube. And also, stay tuned for my full review of this and a quirky little video regarding this phone. So, until the next one, guys, enjoy your tech. Bye!